1.4b, the arithmetic series. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... and then plus 100. That means from 1 add up to 100. This one you know is an arithmetic sequence. 1, 2, 3 up to 100. And now you need to find the arithmetic series. Okay, so let's S be the series. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. And add up one more series. Start from 100 and trace back to 1. So 100, 99, 98, and then etc. plus 1 at the end. So you found that this one 101, then with 101. How many 101 here? Correct. There are total 100 times, right? Because you have 100 terms. So at the end, 101 times 100 divided by 2. So the answer 5050. Right. So for a general arithmetic sequence, A plus D, A plus 2D, and then up to A plus n minus 1D. Okay. Ask your first question. How many terms are there? How many terms are there? Good. 100 terms. Because this one is Tn. Remember? Good. 100 terms. I mean nth terms. Nth terms. Okay. Here Tn, so n terms. Right. So here Sn A plus D, A plus n minus 2D, and the last term A plus n minus 1D. Right. Add up one more. So A plus D. This one becomes A plus n minus 2D. And this one A plus n minus 1D. Okay? When you add up these two series, then you found that 2A plus n minus 1D. How about the second one? I gain 2A plus n minus 1D. Second last, 2A plus n minus 1D. And the last one, 2A plus n minus 1D. How many terms in total? Remember? Yeah, n terms. So n times 2a plus n minus 1d. Right? As a result, Sn equals n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay? Therefore, you have this formula. Okay? Remember how it comes from? This one means n over 2 and then a plus n minus 1d, right? Because this one as the first term, this one as the last term, Tn. Maybe sometimes we write as a, Tn the last term, write as L. So you found that Sn also can write like this. Sn equals n over 2 times first term plus the last term. First term plus the last term. Okay? Make use of this formula. Okay? Maybe this one or this one, you can find the sum of series easily. Sum of series easily. Okay? Try to have a look once again by yourself to understand clearly.